Hi, it's me again, Sienna, your Wells & Co AI assistant, and I really hope you're finding the MyWellsPub portal really useful. I'm super excited to be here today to tell you all about our awesome new feature to allow you to swap drinks in your lineup. A couple of bits of admin before we get started. 1. All pricing within this video is fictitious. 2. The drinks lineup tool doesn't trigger a product switch. To do that, you need to speak to your RDM. Once you've logged onto your MyWellsPub, go to your lineups by pressing the pint glass of the navigation bar. Now you'll see all your lineups listed. You'll notice some small icons by the green down arrows. You'll either see a pencil or a padlock. The lineups with a padlock are locked from editing. You'll only be able to edit lineups with the pencil symbol. This is so we can keep your old lineups in the system, but as the past is the past, we can't edit those. To start editing, click the green down arrow. Hopefully, you'll all be familiar with this page. If not, check out my other video on lineups in the help section. Today we're going to focus on the add drink button and the available and swap columns. Let's start with the available column. As we all know, from time to time drinks are delisted for many reasons. If a drink is delisted, the available box will be empty. Don't worry, the drink won't be removed from your lineup unless you delete or swap the drink. Let's move on to swap. Looks like this pub needs to make the switch to my favorite, Genesis. First, I'll press the swap button on the Guinness row. This will open the drink window. Within the drinks window, you'll see all the information available to you in the drinks table, from unit price, quantity, and over-the-bar price. You can use the sliders to adjust this just like the table. So how can we swap out a drink? First, we need to find our replacement, Genesis. The easiest way to do this is use the search bar at the top of the page. You can also scroll left and right through the drinks using a touch screen or your mouse. Once you've found your drink, you'll notice the system has remembered your weekly quantity and over-the-bar price, but the unit price and therefore the weekly margin have updated to reflect the swap. If you want to make any changes to the weekly quantity or the over-the-bar price, just use the sliders. Now all we have to do is hit save. As you can see, Guinness has now been replaced with Genesis and I've had a margin improvement. Pretty cool, right? Earlier I mentioned the add drink button. You might have guessed, but if you press this button, it allows you to add a new drink rather than swap it out. It's exactly the same as the swap process, except it doesn't have a weekly volume or over-the-bar price, so you'll start from zero. You've probably heard enough of me today, so I won't show you that. See you all next time.